Portrush, one of Northern Ireland's most iconic coastal towns. Stunning views, wild waves, and for many of us, it's a place packed with childhood memories. And now, thanks to one of Belfast's top bartenders, it has its very own coffee cocktail. This is the Portrush coffee, created by Jack Weir, head bartender at the legendary Merchant Hotel in Belfast. Jack took inspiration from his childhood trips to Portrush, those long drives up the coast, and the unmistakable taste of Clove Rock. This drink blends port, Irish whiskey, cold brew coffee, Demerara sugar, and a Clove Rock Cream. This is the Portrush coffee. What is the crack? My name's Rusty Bartender. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. Let's get kicking. This cocktail is a belter. So I recently reached out to Jack on Instagram and he sent me this recipe. His story of going to Portrush and eating Clove Rock as he was a kid brought back nostalgic memories for himself, because that's exactly what I used to do. This also triggered another memory when I was 19 years old. And I'll tell you the story while we're making this drink. So before we start, you are going to have to make something beforehand to make this drink. It is the Clove Rock Cream. So basically you get some Clove Rock, you melt it down and then you blend it with some double cream. Then you put that in a little protein shaker or cocktail shaker, whip it up, and you've got some thickened pink clove cream, which will look really nice on the top of this glass. It smells amazing. But we are going to start off with 20 mils of Demerara syrup. We're then going to go 75 mils of cold brew coffee. Today's whiskey we're using is Teeling Small Batch, and we're going to use 20 mils of this. The recipe doesn't call for any particular Irish whiskey. I just thought that this would go really nice in this. And 30 mils or 1 ounce of some good port. And as you've seen one of my previous videos, you're using the same Galway pipe, which is an Australian port, but I'm sure you can get Irish ports out there. As promised, I'm going to tell you a little story before we add ice and give this a little stir. So I was saying Jack's childhood memories brought back a little memory of my own when I was 19 years old. So me and some of the boys went down to Portrush for a bit of a lads' weekend. As you do, you know, when you're young, you hit the pub, then you head out to Kelly's, which is a nightclub. Anyway, I had just started working in bars at the time and thought I knew everything about cocktails, and we invented our own cocktail that weekend, which we called Portrush Champagne, which is you got a pint glass filled with ice, double Southern Comfort or Hennessy, which was added later. And then we topped it up with West Coast Cooler, which is like a sparkling fruity wine. And if you were mad enough, you would drop another little shot of vodka on top of that. And that's what we called Portrush Champagne. Maybe one day I'll make this on the channel. Probably not. Anyway, we're gonna give this a little stir for 15 seconds. Like and subscribe, please. We're then going to strain this into a coffee cup? It's not a coffee cup. What am I talking about? An Irish coffee mug. This you're going to leave about that much from the top, and then that's where you're going to add your cream. Pour it over the back of a spoon, and it should just sit on top. Lovely. go, folks. This is the Portrush coffee. Let's give it a little sip, see what's going on. Excuse my milky mustache. That cream goes so well with the port that's in this drink. Whiskey still coming through. And you know the Demerara sugar and whiskey, they play so nicely with each other. This is nostalgia in a mug. I'm liking this. This is a great little drink. Jack, here's to Portrush coffee. Thanks, mate. Cheers. See you on the next one.